couch. Listen, what's happening? Shit, sorry. हाँ, so मैं तुम, but from May. From May? Yeah, May of 2020. Wait, so just 5 months into the future? Wait, that can't be right. Has it really just been 5 months? 5 months for what? 2020. Yeah. Okay. Shit. Wow. Listen, self. Did something happen in the future? Oh yeah. That CA NRC thing, right? What? That bill, things are going really crazy around here. There are protests everywhere. The nation's come to a stop. Oh yeah. Wait, so that also happened in 2020? It's happening right now. That's all that people are talking about. It's pretty much going to define 2020. No, it doesn't. So do people come to an agreement? No. Okay, so? It just sort of goes away. Oh god. It's no longer a priority per se. Okay. So are you here to warn me about Australia being in ashes? What, the cricket match? No man, the Australian fires. The Australian fires. Fires. The entire nation's been on fire for months. Even the celebrities are starting to notice. Oh yeah, that. Wait, I'd forgotten about that. So that also happened this year. This year? It's happening right now and it's terrible. Look, don't worry about it. What? Yeah, it's the least of our worries right now. Oh. I get it. You do? Yeah, I mean, if you're here, then it's obvious. Exactly, right? I mean, how did we not see it coming? So that defines 2020. Oh yeah, big time. Wow. I can't believe kids will have to mug this up for a silly fill in the blank for a couple of marks. 2020, the year of World War III. Wait, what? So no World War III? No. Well, there's some serious tension between US and Iran right now, so it just seemed plausible. But US and Iran are technically fighting, but not each other. Okay, so who are they fighting and who's winning? No one really. Unfortunately, they're both losing. Okay, so it's not World War III, so that's a good thing, right? Well, a part of me would have preferred that if I had a choice. But don't judge. Fine, won't judge. But at least tell me what happened, who are they fighting, why are they fighting, and what do you need me to do? Well, I obviously can't tell you. Haven't you seen Avengers Endgame? There's only one thing that Doctor Strange doesn't do. Listen, I know you think that beard makes you look like Doctor Strange, but it's just strange. Anyway, why are you even here? Because I was missing this life. Missing this life. Yeah. Who was that? Just some friends. They want to meet, but I'm honestly not feeling it, so don't worry about it. Listen, don't be an idiot, okay? You have to go and hang out with them. Okay, chill. And maybe watch some Irfan Khan films. Okay, any in particular? The good ones. All of them, actually. Okay. I get it. I really do. Is there anything else that I need to be doing for my future? Let's see. Maybe buy some sanitizers, some N95 industry grade face masks. Also maybe get some air, go out, have some pani puri that you really like. Also look into who owns Ludo King and invest in their shares. Just basic, normal, everyday things. Look, I'm not sure if I can do all of those things. Or even most of those things. Because we're leaving for the UK in a couple of weeks and I have a lot of packing to do. And I was also hoping to spend some time at home. You will get to spend time at home, trust me. Huh? Actually, since you're traveling, why not just get a return ticket? It'll be cheaper than the one way. Or what you can do is just maybe cancel it. Cancel your trip. No, listen man, you're here. This is already too crazy. Just tell me what happens. Look, for obvious Christopher Nolan film reasons, I can't tell you the main thing that happened, but I can give you some juicy side gossip if you want. Alright, tell me. There's aliens. And also a parallel universe where time runs backwards. Oh my god! Shit! No way. Yep. Well, then what happens? Nothing really happens. Like, no one really cares or like pays much attention to it. What? Yeah. Why? Why? Oh, hey guys. I'm from October 2020. Just thought I'd come down here and see you guys. Oh, hi. I was just telling January out here how COVID 19 becomes literally everything this year will ever be known for. No. No, like, it doesn't define 2020? Oh no. Not even a little bit.